If you want to view deleted messages in your WhatsApp account, I'll explain this topic with a simple example. First, go to your phone home screen. If you want to view deleted messages in your WhatsApp account, I'll explain it with a simple example. First, open your phone settings. Then, scroll up and go to Notifications. After that, tap Notification History. This option will probably be turned off, so turn it on. Once it's enabled, go back to your phone and open WhatsApp. Then, open a chat and send a couple of messages. After sending them, check from the other WhatsApp account to confirm the messages have been received. Now, go back to the first WhatsApp account. Press and hold both messages, and tap on Delete. Then confirm Delete for everyone. The messages will now be deleted. As you can see, they've also disappeared from the other WhatsApp account. Next, return to your phone home screen and open Settings again. Go to Notifications. Then open Notification History once more. You'll see that the same deleted messages are still visible there. This is how you can easily view deleted WhatsApp messages using your phone Notification History feature. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.